Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton. On my channel, I like to talk about making money online, so if that's interesting to you, then I highly recommend subscribing. So in this video, I'll be going over my channel analytics. It's not going to be the most interesting video. I'm not sure how interesting I can make analytics, but I'm going to post this because I think some people are really curious about it. I mean, I know I definitely am with other channels, and also it's for myself because I love looking back at my previous videos and seeing how far my channel has grown. So let's get right into it. I'm also going to be showing you some free products up for grabs at the end of this video, so definitely stay tuned for that. So let's just start on the overview page, and then I'll go into the advanced mode and then go into the monetization tab so you guys can see where I'm at with that. Just to get it out in the open already, I am currently not monetized on YouTube, but I'm really hoping to be soon. So right now I have it set for the last 28 days, and I'm going to change that to lifetime. I started my channel in January of 2022. I believe my first YouTube video was uploaded January 20th, 2022. I'm just going to double check that down here. Yep, January 20th, 2022. So it's been about 6-7 months almost of having this channel, I think. I'd have to actually do the math. I think it's about 6 months or almost 6 months. So I'm really happy with the progress so far. Obviously, like everyone else, it would be awesome if my channel could, like blow up overnight and I could be monetized and have thousands of views and subscribers, but that really isn't realistic. So there is a little triangle here saying that some of the real-time data is inaccurate, but I'm really not too worried about that. Usually whenever this happens, they do fix it, and it's not that far off, at least in my experience. So starting with views, I had a really big surge back in February, and it was awesome. It got me so many views and watch time compared to what I've been getting. But then it kind of went downhill, even though I was still consistently uploading. And then I kind of got discouraged with YouTube and with KDP, and I only uploaded like 2 within a month or so. It really wasn't that good. So my views went way down. And then come June, I got re-inspired because I watched a bunch of videos, I bought a program for KDP, I invested money, and I figured I've invested so much time and energy and effort into YouTube, like I really should keep going. And I love making the videos and I love making the content, even though I'm currently not making any money from YouTube. So I've been consistently uploading since like beginning of June or mid-June, and my views have slowly gone up. The highest right now is 425, which was yesterday, but the highest overall is 628 from February. So moving on to watch time, at about 1.3K, again, my highest is in February at 28.2, and yesterday I got back up to, I believe, 18.4. So really, really happy that the channel seems to be slowly going back up again. I'm still really far away on watch time. In order to be monetized, I need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the previous 12 months. And I'm at about 1.3K, so I'm not even halfway there on my watch hours. However, I am pretty close on my subscribers, so I'm really, really pumped about that. I'm currently at 849 at the time of making this video. Back in February, again, I had some big surges, a lot of subscribers in one day, 34 being my highest. And then it went way down where like I was losing some, breaking even, like really wasn't good. And lately it's been slowly picking up again. I just had a day, let's see, I got 9 there, 8, so it's slowly picking back up. But it'd be really nice if it could get back up to 34 a day. That would really help. And so far my channel has gotten 29,866 views, so super, super pumped about that. And let me just scroll down here. My top content this period has been this coloring book video, which definitely has been my top book for a while, so super pumped about that. Let's go to content. They changed the analytics since I did my previous video, so it took me a little bit to figure out like where to go. I've had most of my views from videos, not shorts or live streams, which makes sense. Most of my videos are found through the browse features, 41.8%, so that's pretty cool, and then YouTube search at 20.7%, So I'm really happy that the YouTube search seems to be doing decent. And I got almost 350,000 impressions, which is great, and watch time from impressions is 956.28. So impressions definitely have a huge, huge impact on my channel, and I'm definitely struggling a bit on how to get more impressions, but I don't know, I'm hoping that I figure that out soon. For audience, it looks like it's not really loading the numbers, but you can kind of see in the graph here, I had a ton of new viewers, and then it changed to returning viewers being higher, and then evened out, and now it's kind of going back to having new viewers, so I don't know, that's kind of just all over the place. And then unique viewers, it doesn't really tell me a total, but I think it was around, it's a couple thousand or a few thousand. And subscribers you already saw before. Scrolling down shows me what videos are growing my audience, which doesn't look like many are growing that well, has low. Other channels people watch, which are also channels that I tend to watch. It's just amazing. There's so many analytics here, and I also have TubeBuddy. I have the free version, so I don't have all of the features. Most people are from the United States. Most people do not use subtitles. Most subscribers, let's see, I only have 26.1% with all notifications on, 17.2 that have enabled them. And majority of the people watching my channel aren't even subscribed. 83.8% are not subscribed, 16.2% are subscribed. So like if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. It really helps YouTubers so much when you subscribe and watch their videos. Not if you subscribe and just do nothing, but either way it's helpful and I appreciate it. I have a pretty split audience between female and male. The majority of you guys are between 25 to 34 years old. So that's pretty cool. I'm currently in my 20s, so it's kind of nice to have an audience similar. But I kind of have a wide range, to be honest, so very, very interesting. And the research, I don't really think is much. I can just look up some things that people view, apparently. So now let's go into advanced mode. I'm not going to be in advanced mode for too long because there's just, I mean, I could be in here for hours, honestly, and I don't feel like making this video that long. But you can see from here, this blue line is my coloring book video, and this is the views. So that's definitely been had a huge impact on my channel and gotten me majority of like everything. You can see in the bottom it's gotten me over 200 subscribers, so that's pretty crazy. Super excited about that. And it's also had almost 100,000 impressions. And if you look at it compared to the other ones, like it's just not even close. So I'm really trying to get another video where YouTube will take it off and like take it off as in give it a lot of impressions, give it a lot of views. It has about 6K views, so it's definitely one of my better videos as far as like getting views and subscribers and watch time. So I really hope that I can make another video that YouTube will do that with. So I'm trying. If any of you have tips, like feel free to leave them below. I've been watching so many different YouTubers and been trying so hard to work on my thumbnails and my intros and my videos and everything like that. So I'm obviously open to any sort of other tips and things like that. I feel like my channel is growing pretty well, but I feel like I can always do better. So looking at monetization, if it will load. I'm definitely not monetized yet. I'm about 151 away from meeting the subscribers requirement. As you can see here, I've already done the 2-step verification, and I don't currently have any community guidelines strikes, which is good. But watch time, I'm pretty far away. I don't have, I'm not even halfway there, and that definitely is something I'm working on. I think a big problem I have is not all my videos are long enough. As far as I know, that YouTube definitely promotes videos that are 10 minutes or longer, and a lot of my videos aren't even 10 minutes long. So from now on, I'm going to try to make videos between 10 to 20 minutes long. I think 20 minutes might be a little bit too much. I don't think most people will stay throughout the whole video, but under 10 minutes I just don't think it's helping my channel, because a lot of times, like, looking at when people fall off the videos, they're only watching like 2 minutes or so. I just wanted to change this to lifetime and show you guys my current watch time hours, since that is definitely probably one of my biggest hurdles right now with getting monetized. I mean, I have over 60 videos on my channel right now. I think this video right now, the YouTube analytics, is going to be my 68th video. I've spent hours and hours making videos, editing them, coming up with ideas, posting, communicating with people, and I'm not monetized, so I'm not making anything from doing that. And I love doing this, so that's why I keep doing it, even though I'm not making money. But getting monetized would be another source of income, which would truly help my channel out and help me out, especially with all the prices still rising. So my current watch time hours is 1,348, and that might be a little bit off because they're having like that issue. But I'm definitely around 13 to 14K, enough. I wish I was around 13 to 14K. 1,300 to 1,400. So that is pretty cool. I'm going to show you my average watch time for videos, just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. I think if I go to my dashboard, and if I go to right here, so it says average view duration. My typical is between 205 to 232. Let me go to video analytics and see if it'll give me any more information, which I think it will. I'm still learning like all of the analytics. I love analyzing things and looking at the data, so I tend to be in my YouTube channel like almost every single day, and I try to respond to people really quickly because I know I definitely appreciate that. So yes, this is pretty cool. So my average views, it looks like this video is around my average views at 72. And it tells me how much I typically have in a period, so it's really not high. Like, my averages are not that great. But for watch time, usually I don't have a lot here. Like, right now I have a total of 4.9 hours for this full review of the Passive Income Accelerator program. And normally I'm between 0 to 2. And that's within almost a day. And I actually lost a subscriber on this video, apparently, but that's okay. They might not have liked it, and that's alright. But, yeah, so I think a lot of this has to do with the length of videos. So, you see this video is 18 minutes long. I normally don't have videos that long. They're usually, like, between 5 to 10 minutes, and I only get, like, 1 to 2 minutes of people watching the video. So this being 18 minutes long and me having people on longer, I think is definitely what's helping here. I'm going to see if there's a tab that will tell me, let's see, impressions click-through rate, 14.3%. I'm not sure that's very good, but I don't think that's bad. Here we go, average view duration. This is what I was looking for. So this is a roller coaster. But my average is usually like a minute. Like, it says three minutes more than usual, and I'm at 4:06. So, like, that is not good that my average is a minute. So, I'm definitely going to be making videos longer. As you can tell, this video is over 10 minutes long, and that's going to be my goal for every single video. And that is kind of what I'm going to do to try to help my channel. And I just noticed down here the end screen element click rate is 2.1%, so that's pretty cool. I don't even know I could see that in my likes versus dislikes. Looks like this one's at 50%, but my average is 97.5%. And I'm not really shocked because doing review videos like that and being an affiliate, I know I might get some controversy about it, but I know some of my subscribers were asking for a full review, and I wanted to do that. So I'm okay if some people don't really like it, but I try to have different types of content because everybody likes different things, so I hope I have something for everybody. And now I think that is going to be it for my analytics portion. So I'm going to be moving on to where you can get some free templates. I'm definitely trying to upload more, but let's go on to that. So my Gumroad account, I'll have this linked in the description below, and I know it's not the best. I need to figure out how to add pictures so you guys can actually see like what you're getting. But all of these are free that are currently listed. You can pay, And I have had people pay, and I didn't really notice because I don't check my Gumroad a lot, and I truly, truly appreciate it so much. Like, literally anything helps. Like, $1 goes such a long way, so I greatly appreciate it, but please don't feel obligated to pay anything. These are free. You just type in 0, and you can download the PDF versions, but I have 4 different options here. Please go ahead and check them out. Most of them, I think they're all notebooks, just different types, wide ruled, college ruled, different sizes. One's a competition notebook, or composition notebook. So if you're looking for some free templates for notebooks, I definitely recommend checking out my Gumroad channel. I do want to get more content on here, so if there's a template that you are looking for, please feel free to comment below, and I will do my best to create it and upload to my Gumroad account to help you out. So I really, really appreciate you listening and watching this video. It helps me so much and helps out the channel, and you guys are just truly awesome. So thank you for all of the support, and I hope you have a fantastic day.